At Flight Deck, we take pride in reviewing all things travel. So I picked up a pair of Vessi Weekend Marble White sneakers, currently advertised as the quintessential travel shoe. I'll give you my review and dig into various aspects of the shoe, and rate whether they're my favorite travel shoe. The weekend shoe for men and women is one of the most popular shoe styles by Vancouver's breakout brand Vessi. As the name suggests, Vessi made this shoe to be your weekend companion. No matter where you're exploring, whether it's your hometown or a stunning international destination, the weekend shoe is supposedly the only shoe you'll need. So, how did Vessi weekend shoes fit? I gave it a 3.9 out of 5. First of all, I have big feet, particularly in width. My men's size 11.5, so I was worried about these being comfortable. So I got a size 12 just in case, and I made the right choice. The 12s were definitely the right size, and I've gotten 11.5. I think they would fit a little too snugly. So my recommendation is to go up a size if you're unsure. Since I got the marble whites, how do the shoes hold up color-wise? I gave it a score of 4.1 out of 5. Vessi shoes are machine washable and waterproof, so I thought that was my chance to finally try white sneakers. As you can see, the first day outside wearing them, I did get a couple of marks, but still nicely white. And a couple of weeks later, and a few more uses, and 0 attempts to wash them, this is what they look like now. And while it's quite cool to see them in waterproof action, the marks didn't come off from just wearing it underwater alone, so I need a little elbow grease or a washing machine. But did people think they look cool? I gave it a score of 5 out of 5. I certainly felt cool wearing them, got a lot of compliments on them right out of the blue. And I also love they're not super flashy, so it's easy to wear them out in many different situations and many different outfits. So, would I bring them traveling? I give this a score of 3.2 out of 5. The long and short of it is, it depends what kind of a trip I'm taking. If I'm on a backpacking adventure across Europe, I might lean towards a shoe that offers a bit more support and versatility. The Vessi Weekend seemed too soft to serve as my best hiking shoes, but if I was on a short weekend getaway, these shoes would have a stylish look, and I wouldn't worry about them getting dirty in an urban environment. I would pack these versatile and reliable shoes to explore cities and everyday things, and if I could only bring 2 shoes, it wouldn't surprise me for Vessis to be one of them. In summary, my overall rating is a 4.0 out of 5, and if you're interested to read a more in-depth review, check out Flight Deck.